Local 15 weather with Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley.
Doesn't feel like the winter north of us. Thank goodness we're not getting this round of weather.
Man, it was a crazy weekend. I can't believe how beautiful and warm it was.
It was gorgeous, but you know, we're going to cool down a little bit, but not as much as folks off towards the north. And again, I want to advise you, if you have any travel plans, Atlanta, the Carolinas, perhaps a flight to Charlotte, heading up to Birmingham, forget about it. It looks like this is going to be a nasty winter storm here the next couple of days. We're just going to get a lot of rain out of it. So you've been warned. We're expecting that wet weather to begin. Actually, it's starting right now, but the really heavy round is going to come tomorrow night and Wednesday morning. We've been seeing these showers just kind of scattering their way across the area. Most of it north of Interstate 10. You can see it moving from west to east there. So Millry and Chatham, Vinegar Bend, down towards Leakesville and Loosedale, seeing some light rain through Jackson County over into portions of Baldwin County, including Bay Minette, Stockton, and Stapleton, up into parts of Escambia County, and also into Conecuh and Monroe County. Some scattered showers there, but close to the coast, the rain's a little more spotty. We've had some issues with fog through the morning hours, especially near the coast, but for the most part, it's been a pretty decent afternoon. You can clearly see where the front is. To the north of the cold front, temperatures are into the 50s, even some 40s up around Hattiesburg, but east of the front in the warmer air, northwest Florida still into the 60s. That front will slowly push offshore tonight, and we're going to see these little upper level pieces of energy, these disturbances that'll trigger off these showers here through tonight. But a stronger wave is going to come in for tomorrow night and Wednesday, and that's when we expect our heavier opportunities for rain. So chances for rain tonight, about 40 to 50%. Here's wave number one. That's what we're dealing with now. This is wave two. This is the one that's going to bring the significant winter storm to a good chunk of the southern United States, basically the northern tier, if you will. And it's also going to bring us our decent chances for rain. Look at all these winter storm watches, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories. Looks like the Birmingham metro area, including Tuscaloosa, under a winter storm warning now, north of Atlanta. And the Carolinas anticipating a significant ice storm from about Columbia down towards the Charleston area. So looks like the low country of South Carolina going to be dealing with some significant ice here by Wednesday night into Thursday. But around here, just wet weather. Scattered showers will continue pretty much like what we're seeing right now through tonight and tomorrow. Here comes the second wave. Notice that's tomorrow morning. Here comes the second wave. Look at all the orange and red that's showing up on the map. That means the rain's going to be heavier here for tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. And some of these rainfall totals looking pretty impressive. Notice by Wednesday afternoon, the rain's gone. But here's Pinpoint Predictor, the rainfall totals. By Wednesday evening, 1 to 3 inches. Not out of the question. It looks like some of the heavier totals are going to be near the coast. That's where we could see some isolated spots at 3 inches, perhaps exceeding that. But most of us should see about 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, maybe some areas near 3. Here's your pinpoint forecast for tomorrow. Temperatures not going to get to 50 degrees. Most areas are going to stay in the 40s tomorrow, so it'll be kind of a chilly, cold rain off and on throughout the day. Same thing for overnight tonight. Inland sections, a little cooler. Low to mid 40s from Thomasville to Chatham, over towards Monroeville and Evergreen. Temperatures near 50 degrees down towards Atmore and Bruton. Northwest Florida, you guys will be the warmest tomorrow. 80% chance for rain with temperatures mid to upper 50s. And southeast Mississippi will see a mostly cloudy sky, 80% chance for rain. Temperatures staying into the 40s and 50s through the afternoon, so kind of a cool day. Here's your 7-day forecast. 100% chance for rain for Wednesday morning. It won't be like that the whole day. Looks like the rain's going to be mainly the first half of Wednesday. But by Valentine's Day into the weekend, weather turns fantastic once again.
Boy, you're not kidding. Sunshine and middle 60s to 70?
Yeah, well, this time next week we could be seeing low to mid 70s. So a big time warm up after we get through the next couple of days.
Love to hear it. All right, thank you, Derek.
Yep.